If I was to ask you, how many hours of sleep do you get at night? And the second question is, how do you feel when you wake up? Are you tired or are you refreshed? So if the answer to the first question is less than 6 hours, and the answer to the second question is that you are unrefreshed when you wake up, then this course is for you. This course is titled The Basic Essential Ingredients for a Healthy Sleep Recipe, and it includes information about sleep, functions about sleep, what happens when we don't get adequate sleep, and how to improve sleep. So which are practical tips which can easily be followed by each one of us on a day-to-day basis. It's particularly important during this time as due to the corona, the anxiety, sleep has got majorly disturbed. And a disturbed sleep is not good for your immunity. So do look up the site and enroll and let us know if you have any more questions.